In this video, we're going to define boiling point. The idea of boiling or boiling point is sometimes challenging for students simply because we know from everyday experiences what boiling is like, and therefore we kind of think we have a good handle on what it means when something boils. But the reality is that we need to kind of take a deeper look and explain it at the molecular level. So let's say we have a flask, and inside that flask is water. Now we've already learned that the atmospheric pressure is 760 millimeters of mercury. This is what it might be on a typical day at sea level. And we know the atmosphere pushes all directions. One of the directions it pushes is down. So essentially what we have is pressure pushing down on this water right here. It's pushing with 760 millimeters worth. Now over time, if heated up, the water in this flask will begin to evaporate. And we want to get it to 100 degrees C. So let's continue heating it until we get to 100 degrees C. So the more we heat it, it looks like the more evaporation we get. Oh, and I bet these gas molecules are exerting a pressure. Remember we learned about that pressure? It's called vapor pressure. So let's continue to heat it until we get to 100 degrees C. Notice we're producing more water vapor molecules. So more water vapor molecules, you might imagine, would increase the vapor pressure, and it certainly does. In fact, the more evaporation we get, the more the vapor pressure climbs. Once the pressure exerted by these gas molecules equals 760, well, now we have a situation where the vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. And when the vapor pressure equals atmospheric pressure, that's when boiling occurs. So the boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid's vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. So once again, when this liquid evaporates enough to exert 760 millimeters worth of pressure, that opposes the 760 that's pushing down. And quite literally, these molecules here now have enough kinetic energy to push back against the atmosphere, and then they rapidly enter the gas phase. So try to commit this definition for boiling point to memory. It'll be helpful for you.